Crafters, today I'm sharing a step-by-step guide to assembling an activity box for Play-Doh. Perfect as a party favor or gift for birthdays, kids' parties, or any special occasion. This box has 4 holes designed for crayons, plus a space for placing drawings and another for a 1-ounce Play-Doh container. We start by cutting the main pieces of the box, along with the decorative figure or personalized text. To make the process easier and get more precise cuts, I recommend using a cutting machine like Cricut. Next, we begin by scoring the folds on the large box to make sure they're well defined. Then, we assemble the small box, also carefully scoring the folds, just like shown in the video. To join the pieces of the small box, we use glue or double-sided tape, making sure it's secure and properly aligned. Once the small box is assembled, we glue it inside the large box, positioning it correctly. Now we glue each of the tabs on the large box to give it shape and fully assemble it. You can follow the video for guidance on this part. Finally, we glue the small decorative frame onto the box, as well as the decorative figures. For these, I recommend using double-sided tape along with foam sheets to create a 3D effect that really stands out. If you liked your finished product, we'd love to see what you made. Share your review and your beautiful creations. It truly makes us happy and helps us keep growing. And if you have any suggestions, don't hesitate to reach out. We're always listening to your ideas. Thanks for watching, crafters.